On the occasion of Army Day, tributes pouring in for our brave forces. We're cutting across live now to the Army Day celebrations, a grand Army Day parade that is happening right now in the national capital. The Army Chief, General Naravane, is currently there. In fact, tributes, as I mentioned earlier, have been pouring in through the day. You've got the President who tweeted earlier saying, on Army Day, greetings to the valiant men and women of the Indian Army. We remember the brave hearts who made the supreme sacrifice in service to the nation. The President has also gone on to say India will remain forever grateful to the courageous and committed soldiers, veterans and their families. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also, in fact, tweeted his tributes to our forces. He's put out a detailed tweet as well, saying and expressing his gratitude to the soldiers of the country and their families on Army Day. He said our army is strong, courageous and determined. Let's cut across live now to the celebrations.
Yeah, Garhwal Rifles. Captain Umesh Chandra Fulara, Mahar Regiment, Netritva, Lieutenant Subhayu Bose, 3rd Battalion, Mahar Regiment. Massed Pipes and Drums, led by Naib Sudar Pradeshan of Madras Regimental Centre. The massed military bands led by Subedar Parvinder Singh of Siklai Regimental Centre. They're playing the tune, the Rajasthani Troop. Uske baad, the next marching contingent is of Jammu Kashmir Rifles, led by Major Harish Thakur. Next is the marching contingent of Bengal Serpents, led by Major Piyush Sharma, Sena Medal of 69 Engineer Regiment. And then is the Territorial Army Madras, led by Major Manish Verma of 172 TA Madras. The detachment of main battle tank T-90 Bhishma, commanded by Captain Karanveer Singh Bhangu of 54 Armored Regiment. And the next is the BMP, commanded by Captain Akshay Rastogi of 3rd Brigade of the Guards. Nantame, BrahMos Missile System, commanded by Captain Kamruddin Zamal of 861 Missile Regiment. परेड के निरीक्षण के पश्चात सेनाध्यक्ष सलामी मंच की ओर अग्रसर, पूर्णतः आश्वस्त, विश्वस्त, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपने जवानों की आंखों में देखा है एक संकल्प, साक्षी रहे संसार करता हूं प्रतिज्ञा पार्थ में, पूरा करूंगा कार्य सब कथानुसार यथार्थ में, जो पीठ पीछे वार कर आज हंसते हैं अभी, वो शत्रु सत्वर शोक में डूबे मिलेंगे अब सभी.
The 73rd Army.
पूर्णतः आश्वस्त, विश्वस्त, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपने जवानों की आंखों में देखा है एक संकल्प, साक्षी रहे संसार करता हूं प्रतिज्ञा पार्थ में, पूरा करूंगा कार्य सब कथानुसार यथार्थ में, जो पीठ पीछे वार कर आज हंसते हैं अभी, वो शत्रु सत्वर शोक में डूबे मिलेंगे अब सभी.
भारतीय सेना दुनिया की दूसरी सबसे बड़ी सेना है. 12 लाख से ज्यादा जवानों और अधिकारियों की ये सेना हमारे देश का गर्व है. इसकी वर्दी गौरव और प्रेरणा का स्रोत है. देश के सामने कोई चुनौती आए, चाहे बाहरी हो या आंतरिक, भारतीय सेना हर मुश्किल में सबसे आगे रहती है. सेना की मौजूदगी से ही सब में आत्मविश्वास का संचार होता है. हमारी सेना साहस और भरोसे का पर्याय है.
And braving the weather and conquering it with the warmth of their spirit are the families of the Jawans, proud wives and mothers, happy children, excited and thrilled to be here as the Army Chief moves slowly towards the saluting base.
दर्शक अब यहां पहुंचने के पश्चात सेनाध्यक्ष
परेड का निरीक्षण पूरा हुआ और अब थल सेनाध्यक्ष सलामी मंच की ओर अग्रसर।
परेड कमांडर अब अपने निर्दिष्ट स्थान की ओर अग्रसर। और अब सभी को प्रतीक्षा है सेनाध्यक्ष का सेना को, राष्ट्र को जो संबोधन होगा उसका। पहले अलंकरण समारोह और उसके बाद संबोधन।
समीक्षा मध्य से
परेड समीक्षा क्रम में आगे बढ़ती हुई
जनरल सैल्यूट सेलिब्रेट जस्ट
अलंकरण समारोह होगा जिसमें सेना मेडल दिए जाएंगे और यूनिट साइटेशंस, यूनिट प्रशस्ति पत्र से सम्मानित किया जाएगा।
Battalion, the Parachute Regiment, Special Forces. On 20th August 2019, while deployed in Jammu and Kashmir, Lieutenant Colonel Archit Goswami retrieved a police personnel from a target house successfully and eliminated a hardcore terrorist. For displaying unflinching bravery, Lieutenant Colonel Archit Goswami is awarded with Sena Medal Gallantry. Lieutenant Colonel Archit Goswami.
Major G. Balaji Niranjan, the Army Aviation Corps, 23 Independent RNO Flight. 25 अप्रैल 2019 हल्द्वानी में दुर्गम पहाड़ों के बीच मेजर जी बालाजी निरंजन ने लगभग 20 मिनट तक हेलीकॉप्टर को होवर कराकर एक पैराट्रूपर की खोज और बचाव ऑपरेशन में अद्वितीय योगदान दिया। इस वीरतापूर्ण कार्य के लिए मेजर जी बालाजी निरंजन को सेना मेडल गैलेंट्री से सम्मानित किया जाता है। मेजर जी बालाजी निरंजन।
Major Sachin Andotra, 34 Rashtriya Rifles, Army Service Corps. On
So this is the gallantry awards that are being given out now to the braves of our army. You've already seen the army chief there inspecting the parade, the march past also that just happened here in the national capital. A grand event as always. In fact, you see a lot of such events on the occasion of Army Day organized across the country. Let me take this across to our defense editor, Abhishek Bhalla, as well. Abhishek, on the occasion of Army Day, a big salute to all of our forces, to all of our braves. And as always, a grand Army Day parade also here in the national capital.
That's right, Akshita, and like every year, a very important day in the calendar of the Indian Army. Obviously, this year we can see the pandemic protocols that are being followed. Everybody is wearing masks, and gallantry awards are being given as of now, and a total of 15 officers and soldiers are among those who are being awarded. Out of these, 5 are being awarded posthumously for their valor in several operations. Most of these have taken place in Jammu and Kashmir. These were terror operations. The Sena Medal is awarded in recognition of individual acts of exceptional bravery in the line of duty, and the 15 personnel who are being awarded today obviously contributed in a very big way in those operations, and the wives of those who lost their lives are also here, and amongst those there is actually a Veer Nari, a widow of one of the personnel, who will be handed over the Sena Medal not once but twice. This will be on the second time that she will be getting. So that's a rare wife of Havaldar Baljit, who was part of 2 operations in Jammu and Kashmir, and she will also be getting it on his behalf for the second time. So obviously a very, very important day for the Indian Army. And remember, this Army Day comes amid the ongoing standoff with China, which has been continuing now for the last 8 months, and there has been no breakthrough despite several talks taking place between the two armies. And even in the harsh winter, the Indian Army continues with its massive deployment in the forward areas of Ladakh, and the friction points continue to be extremely volatile. So just a reminder of what the Indian Army has been going through, the challenges that they have been facing in the last year. And today is just a reminder of all of that, when the nation is paying their salute not just to those who've sacrificed their lives, but to each and every troop who is serving the country in the toughest of circumstances.
That's right. Abhishek, I request you to stay on with me. Let's just cut across live now, dip into the live coverage that's coming in of the Army Day parade. Right now, the Gallantry Award being given out to really recognize and salute the valor of our Army Jawans and our Braves. So these are the Gallantry Awards that are being given out. Abhishek Bhalla did also highlight for us some of the Jawans who are being recognized, some posthumously also for their heroic acts, for their acts of bravery, and those who've really shown exceptional courage in the face of hardship. They're being recognized right now on the occasion of Army Day. Abhishek, if you look at the kind of tributes that have poured in, today is a day when we recognize our forces and how, they keep us safe at every given time. Come what may, come what the challenges, they are there to protect us. And that's exactly what you were highlighting as well, that this Army Day celebrations is happening at a time when our forces are out there along the LAC, the harshest possible of weather, in the inclement weather, continuing to do their duty to the nation.
Yes, Akshita, this last year obviously has been extremely challenging for the Indian Army. There was an unprecedented standoff in Ladakh, which is still continuing. There was obviously a lot of action at the line of control with the ceasefire violations spiking. In fact, in the last 17 years, this was the worst year in terms of ceasefire violations. And other than that, obviously, the Army continued to be part of several anti-terror operations in Jammu and Kashmir, also special operations in the northeast, close to the Myanmar border. So obviously, a lot of action in the last 1 year, 2020. was a very, very challenging year in terms of not just operations on the ground, but the armed forces also pitched in with their efforts to fight the COVID-19 pandemic, be it providing facilities initially for COVID patients, or to in the very first phase, in fact, when the COVID hit the country, they played a very stellar role in also transporting people from outside India, bringing them to India. That was the Air Force and the Navy particularly. But really, the armed forces have had an extremely challenging 2020, and as always, they met those challenges. They kept pace with whatever came their way, and this year's Army Day is really a tribute to each and every soldier who was not just part of operations on the ground, but all kinds of challenges that were faced by the country.
That's right. And, Abhishek, on the day of Army Day, while we really come together to salute our forces and thank them for everything that they do in service of the nation, you also tend to go back in time and remember that this day is celebrated because it was, in fact, the day when when the Indian Army got its first Commander-in-Chief with Lieutenant General, with Field Marshal Cariappa also going ahead and taking charge as the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.